Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to download Windows operating system or iOS file. So in order to download or install Windows operating system iOS file, you'll need to follow the steps. So then to begin with, open up our web browser and then on the web address, then iOS download. And this is going to direct you to the multiple result page. Here you need to go ahead and tap on the first one that says www.microsoft.com or download Windows. After that, it's going to direct you to this page. Here you need to scroll down a bit and go ahead and tap on the download button. As soon as you click on it, the downloading will start, and now you'll need to locate the file. So just go ahead and open up the file, double click on it in order to open up this, and click on the yes button. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and follow the prompt. So basically what happens is that you'll be asked to create an account, select your country and region, and lastly you'll be asked to select a file location. So this is all you have to do it, and that is basically how you can download Windows operating system iOS file. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.